Winter is here. So are the rodents. Don't panic. There are ways to keep them out of your house.
Hi, my name is John from Jim's Termite and Pest Control Roval. We are going to go through some tips and tricks on how to prevent rodents entering your home and also the signs to look out for throughout the house. So let's get started. Mice will generally come to the kitchen area looking for the food source. Already I can see some rodent droppings here. Also some rodent droppings here. Services from the kitchen going out through the hole here, which makes easy access for rodents to actually come in. Another area where rodents can come into people's house. Just gaps in the wall here behind this this cupboard. They'll find some sort of a way into the pantry where this door obviously is not closing fully. They can come along from the fridge here, up here, and then find their way into the pantry. You just want to make sure that your pantry door is fully sealed, especially down the bottom from potential rodents entering the pantry. Just looking at what could potentially attract rodents into people's houses. Here there's just some fruit left on the windowsill. If rodents do come into somebody's house, they will smell the fruit. Also over here we got some little bit of scraps of toast just falling out from the toaster. If that's left overnight and there is mice in the house, they will smell that. They will make their way. Up onto the benches. We have advised the client to seal up the entry holes. Under the sink, the most cost-effective to use is just this steel scour. Basically, push it into the hole as tight as you can. Being made of steel, it's very hard for the rodents to chew or eat through it. Basically, just pull it apart, make it a little bit bigger. It will fit into the hole quite tight, and then we just push it into the hole like this. With the gap we got here, you can actually use just normal silicone to seal up the hole. So here at the laundry door, it can be an area where mice have easy access in and out, especially here where it's under the door. I can fit my hand. Mice can go in and out quite easily. Also the doggy door, where the wind can blow it in a small bit. Mice can have access in and out through the doggy door or under the actual door itself. When the mouse issue is fixed, to actually buy a door stop to put across here just to stop anything coming from in under the door. So we'll have a look here and see if there's any potential holes where rodents can go in and out of. I can already see where the pipe is going into the wall here. There is a gap where rodents can go in and out of. Also, I can see some rodent droppings here already, and also I can see some on the floor here, especially around the dog bowl and where the dog food is just left out. Very importantly, you should not leave food or dog food or cat food in the laundry overnight. Mice exploring or looking for food on the outside, but they can actually smell the food inside from quite a distance away, which then can actually lead them come into the laundry looking for that food. Here's another entry point, a pipe coming out from the laundry sink, coming out through the wall here. It's quite loose. A bit of a gap around here. It should be sealed up with silicone just to stop the potential rodents climbing up here and finding their way into the house. Rodents can enter the house through ventilation holes. It's known as the weeper holes, where they can access up into the cavity wall. You can buy these from Bunnings. They're called weeper plugs, and you basically what you do is you just push them into the hole like this, and it'll just seal up a potential entry point for rodents. Thanks for watching Jim's How To channel. If you like our content, please click the like button and subscribe our channel. Hit the ring bell if you don't want to miss any upcoming videos. Feel free to leave comments. if you have any questions. We will see you next time.